In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hard reset an HTC Wildfire S smartphone to factory settings. The first thing you need to do is to remove the battery from the phone. So I'm going to do that now. Just take the battery out and put it right back in again. The next thing you need to do is to hold down the volume button like I'm doing now. You have to hold down the volume down button right here, and then just press the power button and release it. Now you can let go of the volume down button. Now you're going to see this screen right here. Now by using the volume down button, all you need to do is scroll down to clear storage, and now push the power button. Now you push the volume up to choose yes. Okay, so the phone has rebooted. I'm going to put the cover back on. And there you go. The HTC Wildfire S has now been hard reset. I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up the video. And thank you for tuning in.